Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So as you can see, today we are in a different background, and that's because this video features some fashion items that I purchased over the Christmas sales and the January sales, and I wanted to show you that. So this is the space in my apartment where I'll be able to do that, so hence the new background. So yeah, this video was supposed to happen about 2 weeks ago, but some of the items I purchased never got here on time, or my order just got cancelled because they ran out of stock. So it's been quite frustrating waiting for pieces and to arrive here and there. But I've just settled on these pieces, about 5 in total, I believe, with one beauty item and some homeware bits where I will insert a picture. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first item I'm going to talk about is this top here. Yes, it is exactly the same one that I'm wearing. So this is the off-shoulder Bardo top, I think that's the name of it, and it's currently on sale for £12 from Topshop. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. I got 2 different sizes because when this arrived it was a little bit small. Even on the model, as you can see here, it looks a little bit baggy, so I thought it was I didn't think it was going to be this small. However, when it arrived, it's quite small. It fits okay as long as I don't eat anything, I'll be fine, but the arms are quite tight, so I ordered a size 10 and then it arrived. But then the bodice itself here is very loose, which means I'm more likely to spill, even though I don't have much going here in this department. But you get the gist. It's quite big, so I had to settle for this one. So I'm just going to give you a 360 degree of this top here so you can see how it looks like. I love the puffy sleeves here. I think you can even wear it like this. I don't know, what do you think? No, I think I prefer it over shoulder. So as you can tell, it's a bit cold for this top right now, so I just wore it with this black polo top, and I actually quite like the combination, and with the high-waisted jeans as well. I wish that it was a little bit longer. I was hoping it would sit or maybe cover my waist a little bit, but it literally just sits right here, so it just sits on the waist. Other than that, I kind of liked it. I kind of like this. Gives me this retro old school type of look going on. Yeah, so let's strike a pose. The original was about 32-35, so it came down to 25 and now it's down to £12. So if you are interested, I will urge you to be quick. They do come back in and out of stock, and they also have another one. I will insert a clip here, which is stripe, I think blue and white stripe, and it's current season, so that one is still in stock. It's just that you will have to pay full price for it. Alright, so that's this for this top. Let's move on to next item. So you probably would have seen these already from my previous unboxing video, featuring the 2 pairs of shoes that I picked up from Charlotte's Olympia. I'm not going to go into too much detail on them in this video because, like I said, there's already a video on them. So if you're more interested, I will link it up here and then you can take a peek. But this is just to show you which ones are there. So here are the 2 pairs of shoes, the 2 different shoes, by the way. So these are the Kitty Flats in blue and the Kitty 35 with the block heel on here. I got these from the outnet.com. This one is exclusive to the outnet, so it's still available. This one, again, it came in and out of stock, so I don't know if there are any in stock, but I will put all the links down below so you can check if you are interested. But like I said, you can check the video out here for more details. These are the 2 shoes that I purchased in this sale. Okay, one beauty item I purchased was a lipstick from Lancome. It was in sale for £10, I think, from John Lewis, so I took an advantage of that. And this is the L'Absolu Rouge in the shade 253, which is a brownie taupey color. I'm just going to do a quick swatch here. It's more on the dusty pink side. I hope you can see, but it's quite hydrating, the formula, so it's got a sheen to it. It looks like this, and it has the typical Lancome rose scents. If you're familiar with Lancome products, it just smells like that. This takes me back way back to my first lipstick that I purchased from the drugstore. I think the brand must have been called Manhattan or Astor, I'm not sure, but the scent is exactly like that. And every time I wear this, it just takes me back to my 15-year-old self. And I can't remember the color that I purchased. Must have been something similar. I don't think I was brave or I was into red lipstick at that time, but yeah, this really takes me back. And I love the packaging. So it looks like this. It's got the rose logo there, and then it's got this shape to it, and it actually, I think this magnet on here you can't see, so when you put it on there it just clicks straight into place. So yeah, that was £10, and that's that for the Lancome lipstick. Okay, so the last two items I purchased in terms of clothing were some jeans. So I was in the market for some straight leg jeans, and these ones are from Whistles. I don't think it's got a name, it's just light wash. I think it's just the color of the jeans, which is, yeah, light wash. And this has got a straight leg. So it was on sale for £23, I believe. Hang on a minute. Oh, here it is. The Whistles one was on sale for £95, and then it came on sale for £70, and then I got it for £23. So I think I got myself a good deal there. And like I said, I really like it. I like the color. I don't think I have anything in my jeans collection wardrobe in this light wash color. And I got the size 28, waist 28, same as this one. So this is slightly this one is slightly bigger in terms of the waist, but once I wear it with the belt, it's fine. The length of this is, it's not so bad. It just sits right on my ankles, and it looks very nice with high heels on. I'm thinking of even cutting off the hem just to give it that frayed casual look as well, because I really like that kind of jeans. So I might do that to these pair. But and the second pair I'm wearing as well. So this one is from And the Other Story. So this is more of a high-waisted jeans, and it's got the top head tapered leg, so it's straight but not skinny at the same time. I think this was on sale for £20. Original price was £60. It's got like a little motif. Show you my bum. It's got a motif here on the bottom. I think that's the only reason why it's on sale. I think these were the only jeans on sale, yeah, on their website. But so it's like high-waisted, and I love that it fits perfectly, and I mean perfectly. It's the kind of jeans that when you sit down, it doesn't show any, any skin or any flesh like that, and when you sit, it doesn't cut across your stomach as well. It's just really, really comfortable. So I think this is going to be first of many jeans from And the Other Stories. So jeans are just a nightmare for me. I have a small waist, big bum, short legs, that kind of thing. So I just hate buying jeans, but I'm really happy with these two. And the materials are quite comfortable. They're very soft, especially with this one here. This one is my favorite out of the two. I've been living in these. Okay guys, so the last bit of items that I purchased from Anthropologie. I always buy these cups every season, especially when they go on sale. I've got pretty much quite a collection, and this time around I purchased a few for my family, so everybody has your own cup now, with the initials on them. It's such a nice gift to give. So they're on sale for about £3. They're usually £8, so I think they're still on sale at the moment. So that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, I'm thinking of doing more fashion pieces, fashion videos here. So I think I'm quite happy with this setup for fashion videos. So I think you might be in for a treat for more fashion videos. But if you have any requests, by all means, let me know, and I'm happy to do them for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.